Welcome. Today we'll learn how to factor the quadratic expression x squared minus 18x plus 81 by recognizing it as a perfect square trinomial. A perfect square trinomial has a special pattern. It takes the form a squared plus or minus 2ab plus b squared, which factors as the square of a plus or minus b. Let's identify the parts of our expression that match this pattern. The first term, x squared, is a perfect square. This means that it equals x. The last term, 81, is also a perfect square. This means that b equals 9, since 9 squared is 81. For the middle term, negative 18x, we can check if it equals negative 2 times a times b. Negative 2 times x times 9 equals negative 18x, confirming that this is indeed a perfect square trinomial. Now that we've confirmed this is a perfect square trinomial, let's visualize how the expression fits the pattern. We can substitute a equals x and b equals 9 into our pattern. Therefore, x squared minus 18x plus 81 factors as x minus 9 squared. Let's verify our answer by expanding x minus 9 squared to make sure we get back our original expression. Let's visualize this perfect square trinomial graphically. The graph is a parabola that touches the x-axis at exactly one point, x equals 9, which is the value that makes x minus 9 equal to 0. In summary, we factored x squared minus 18x plus 81 by first identifying it as a perfect square trinomial by checking that the first and last terms were perfect squares, then verifying that the middle term was negative 2 times the product of their square roots, and finally writing it as x minus 9 squared.